Children, welcome once again. Today we are going to learn about subject and predicate as a revision. Okay? Before we learn subject and revision, before we revise, let's review the homework or the exercise that I have given you in the previous video. In the previous video, we learned about common noun and proper noun. Now let's check the slide. So children, here's the review from page number 22 from the chapter common noun and proper noun. Okay, the question was rewrite a sentence using capital letter whenever required. So some of the question we discussed in the video, and some of the question I gave you as a homework. Now here it is. Ria visited Agra last week. Mathura is a proper noun, is known for its temples and sweets. The train halted at Ambala cantonment for a few minutes. Okay, here we learn that if the noun is proper, okay, if it's a special name, then we are going to use capital letter for the proper noun. Okay, then Lata Mangeshkar is called the Nightingale of India. Number 5, we eat sweets and burst crackers on Diwali. Number 6, British Airways serve us Cadbury chocolates in dessert. Let's see in the next slide. Question number 7. The committee was headed by Sri Ram Prasad Guha. Okay, Sri Ram Prasad Guha is a name of a particular person, so it's a proper name. Next, 8. Malgudi Days was written by R.K. Narayan. Malgudi Days was a specific name of books. Okay, Malgudi Days was written by R.K. Narayan. Okay, so here's the review of the exercise from the previous chapter. Now let's revise about subject and predicate in our next slide. In this chapter, we learn about sentence and the parts of sentence. Okay, now at first we learn about sentence. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense. Okay, a sentence is a group of words that makes a complete sense and expresses a complete thought. Okay, now here says a group of words makes a sentence, but children, it doesn't mean that any group of words will make a sentence. Okay, until and unless that group of words don't make any sense, don't have any meaning, that group of words is not called a sentence. Okay, now a sentence have some part, okay, some part to make it to a complete sentence. Okay, let's discuss about a part of sentence here. Part of sentence like subject and predicate. Okay, now a sentence, a complete sentence must have capital letter at the beginning. It must have subject plus verb. Verb is the predicate part. Okay, and punctuation. There must have a punctuation. So a sentence should begin with capital letter. Okay, it should have a subject, a predicate part, and punctuation. Predicate part is a verb and other group of verbs that make a predicate. Okay, now these are the 5 high 5 point. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and another it should make sense. Okay, 5 points here. I have given capital letter 1, subject, verb means predicate, 3. Then number 4 is it should make sense. Okay, not any random word, a group of words will not make a sentence. It should have a meaning and it should have all these important points. Okay, and it must end in a punctuation. Okay, now let's talk about this part, subject and verb. The part of sentence, subject and verb. Now here comes subject. Now what is a subject in a sentence? The subject is the naming part of a sentence, is the subject. Okay, it tells who or what the sentence is about. Who or what. Who is in the sentence, what in the sentence. Okay, now predicate. predicate is a telling part of a sentence. Predicate means a verb part. Okay, it's a telling part of sentence. Okay, it tells us what happened. Okay, what happened or what the action is going on. Okay, what happened. So this is the telling part. Okay, what doing part. Okay, subject is a telling part. Predicate is a doing part. Now here is this example. The rabbit ate the carrot. Who ate? Who ate? Okay, the name. Now who, when we ask who, we got a name, the rabbit. So the rabbit is a subject. Subject can be a noun or pronoun. Okay, subject can be noun or pronoun. Then what the rabbit do? What the rabbit do? Eat the carrot. Eat the carrot. This is the action part. The doing part is called the predicate. Okay? In the predicate, there used to be a verb and the other group of words to make a complete predicate. Okay? So here, the rabbit ate the carrot. We can have more example like India is a big country. Okay? India is a big country. Okay? Then next example like the cat slept on the mat. Who slept on the mat? Who? The naming part. When we ask who, we give the answer the cat or the dog. Okay, the dog slept on the mat. What the dog do? What the dog does? What the dog or the cat does? Slept on the mat. So slept on the mat is the doing part. So that is a predicate. Okay, and the naming part, who or what, is a subject. Okay, children? So at the end of this video, I'm providing you some worksheet, okay, where you practice about subject and predicate. Okay, so let's check it out. So children, here is a worksheet for you to practice. Okay, practice this thing at home. Okay, choose a subject from the box to complete each sentence. Now a subject is given here inside this box, and now the predicate part is given and the subject part you have to find out the appropriate one. Okay, number 1, for example, Dash fell off the slide. Who fell off the slide? Logan, a girl, the pen, a spider, the buzzing bee, the bird, or the cat. Which one is more appropriate? Okay, and you can use I will use a girl. Okay, a girl fell off the slide. Okay, children? So in this way, you find out the appropriate one and then you do this worksheet. Okay? We'll review this worksheet in the next video when we discuss another topic as a revision. Till then, keep learning. See you next time. Bye-bye.